Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the construction going on the Melrose Hill bypass. Now we just came through Porous and we are now on the Melrose Hill bypass. We are on the Melrose Hill bypass. So Highway 2000 is now going to end in Mandeville. The Maypen to Mandeville section is under construction. It's over 90% complete. The highway will run from the Maypen roundabout, where it connects to the existing highway, and it will run all the way to Williamsfield in Manchester. So from the Maypen roundabout to Clarendon Park, it will run south of the Maypen bypass. But in Clarendon Park, the highway is going to go over the hill and come out here by the Melrose Hill bypass. Now the Melrose Hill bypass is going to be incorporated into the alignment of the highway. But you can still use the Melrose Hill bypass free of charge. There won't be any toll charges to use the Melrose Hill bypass. But it's going to be a part of the highway. So straight ahead now you can see them building, that's the highway when it's going to come across to the Melrose Hill bypass. It looks like a bridge they're building on the left. And on the right is the road. That's a new road that they built. Not sure if they're, well, I assume it's going to be a part of the highway structure. But straight ahead you can see them building the bridge where it's going to be an exit or entrance to the Melrose Hill bypass. So that's where the highway will come over the hill and come out and get onto the Melrose Hill bypass. Now you see that motorbike on the right? It's not supposed to be doing that. This road is blocked off under construction, so it's one-way traffic. So you can only go from Porous to Williamsfield. You're not supposed to drive from Williamsfield to Porous. That part of the road is blocked off. So the traffic goes in one direction. Now recently there was a terrible accident on the Melrose Hill bypass, and some reports say that a car was coming from Williamsfield to Porous. So they were traveling in the direction they were not supposed to be traveling. They were traveling on the direction of the road that has been blocked off. And it caused a head-on collision according to some reports, and terrible accident. This is the same road it happened on the Melrose Hill bypass. So just giving you, that's why I said that motorbike is not supposed to be traveling in that direction. It's very dangerous. Alright, so that's an update on what's going on with that. So we'll continue giving you the tour of the bypass. Let's see if we can get a better view. Now they're very strict about persons driving on the road while it's under construction. But there you can see the bridge being built, or an exit or entrance ramp, but it's going over the existing road. Alright, so let's continue the tour, giving you guys an update of what's going on. And this highway is going to be completed early next year. I think they said by March 2023. It's over 90% complete. Alright, we can get a much better view from here as to what's going on. There you can see the, looks like a bridge that they're building. And over there is the alignment of the existing road. Alright. We're going to start, we got a drone, so we're going to start putting up drone footage. Yeah, it's definitely a bridge they're building. So you guys should get aerial views of all these roads very soon. Alright, so remember now, as we go further up, you're going to see them building the actual highway, because when the highway joins the Melrose Hill bypass, it's going to run alongside it, or in some cases it's actually going to be on the Melrose Hill bypass. So as we continue the tour, driving on the bypass, you're going to see construction going on the left and the right, and those are more lanes because the highway is 4 lanes. It's going to be a dual carriageway with a concrete barricade. So it's going to be 4 lanes all the way. Alright, so you can see what we're talking about on the left now. So they're working on more lanes over there. And if you look on the left, they have this metal gate or the barricade so that persons can't drive on the road. Actually, I think those gates went up right after the accident as well. So it might have something to do with the accident also. Okay, so we are back on the original road now. This road was originally, or is the Melrose Hill bypass, but you can see they're working on the right, and you can see the concrete barricade that they're building in the middle. So this road will become 4 lanes. There's plenty of space on the left to do the work to get 4 lanes, and they're building 2 additional lanes on that side of the bypass. So when the highway, and that's Highway 2000, reaches Clarendon Park, it's going to go over the hill and come back out by this bypass, the Melrose Hill bypass. And you saw where they were building the bridge. So when the highway merges with the Melrose Hill bypass, or it's incorporated into the bypass is going to be 4 lanes with the concrete barricade, just like the highway. And that's where we are now. So there you can see this road is going to be 4 lanes. But the important thing to note is from Kingston to where the highway comes out at the Melrose Hill bypass will be a toll road. To drive on that road, you have to pay toll. But when it incorporates into the Melrose Hill bypass, you don't have to pay toll to use that section of the road. That's because it's taken in the existing bypass. So there'll be no toll to drive on that path. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.